To buy a Bitcoin wallet, you first need to understand what a Bitcoin wallet is. A Bitcoin wallet is a software program that allows you to store, send and receive Bitcoins. There are different types of Bitcoin wallets, including desktop wallets, mobile wallets, online wallets, and hardware wallets. Each type of wallet has its own advantages and disadvantages. To buy a Bitcoin wallet, you need to choose the type of wallet that best suits your needs. If you are looking for a secure way to store your Bitcoins, a hardware wallet may be the best option. If you want to be able to access your Bitcoins on the go, a mobile wallet may be the best choice. Once you have chosen the type of wallet you want, you need to download and install the wallet software. For desktop wallets, you can download the software from the wallet provider's website. For mobile wallets, you can download the app from the App Store. After you have installed the wallet software, you need to create a new wallet. This will involve generating a set of private keys and a Bitcoin address. The private keys are used to access your Bitcoins, so it is very important to keep them safe and secure. To add funds to your Bitcoin wallet, you need to buy Bitcoins from a Bitcoin exchange or a broker. You can do this by depositing fiat currency into your exchange account and then using that currency to buy Bitcoins. Once you have bought your Bitcoins, you can transfer them to your Bitcoin wallet. It is very important to keep your Bitcoin wallet safe and secure. This means keeping your private keys safe, using strong passwords, and enabling two-factor authentication. You should also make sure to back up your wallet regularly, in case your computer or mobile device is lost or stolen. In conclusion, buying a Bitcoin wallet is a relatively straightforward process. You need to choose the type of wallet that best suits your needs. Download and install the wallet software. Create a new wallet, and add funds to your wallet. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can safely and securely store your Bitcoins.